From the trading desk of DailyForex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming March 11th Forex session in the Euro US dollar pair. As you can see, Friday was a negative session for the Euro dollar, and this was predicated mainly upon a better than expected jobs report, which ironically in the past has always been Euro positive. We have a dynamic now, though, that Europe is recessionary, United States is actually growing, and as a result, more economic strength has more people flooding into the U.S. equity market, and not necessarily the Treasury market, as many of you would be used to seeing in a risk on, risk off type environment. It's just simply a matter of the U.S. is the best looking house in the neighborhood at the moment, so money keeps flowing into it as a result of economic numbers, such as a non farm payroll number that came out at 265,000 jobs added for the month of February. With that being said, though, we definitely are in an area where there is a lot of noise, and as a result, I think the next 150 pips or so are going to be difficult to overcome. Uh, with that in mind, I actually prefer to sell rallies at this point, be patient, and think of this more or less as a short term chart. All of the quote unquote easy money has been made uh, on the downside already, and there's a real risk for a bounce from here. Although one has to wonder what the catalyst would be. So having said that, I think that we will essentially see some type of consolidation for a while, maybe with a downward bias. So I will simply look to the shorter time frame charts for those weak candles, perhaps hourly charts and such, and just pick little pieces away at the euro dollar until it finally either gives way or breaks out. As far as going long is concerned, I would need to see 132.50 broken to the upside in order to be comfortable doing so. As you can see, we're right at the 200-day moving average, right in the middle of this cluster. So it definitely is an area where we need to make some decisions. And going forward, we should see that soon. But perhaps the pair just needs to take a little bit of a break. It has had a pretty wild um, 4 months or so, 5 months or so, as we've gone straight up and straight back down.